Today we're making one of my favorites, guacamole. Guacamole is really easy to make and can be used in so many ways. The key ingredient, of course, is the avocado. The trick to knowing if your avocado is ready to be used is first check that the stem comes off easily, and then if it's a nice bright green underneath, you know your avocado is good to go. Cut along the middle of the avocado, going all the way around, twist it open, and using a knife and a firm hand, give the seed a whack and twist to get it out. Next, we're going to make slits in the avocado lengthwise and horizontally, and using a spoon, we'll scoop the avocado cubes out into a bowl. Next, we'll finely chop one tomato using a serrated knife. I find serrated knives cut through the tomato skin a lot easier. And then we'll also chop up half a red onion as well. We'll give it a good mix now, using the back of your spoon to mash up the avocado chunks as you go. How much you mash it up is up to you, whether you like it chunkier or more mashed. I prefer it somewhere in between. Next, we'll finely chop a 1/4 cup of coriander leaves and add that in along with the juice of half a lemon. Then add half a teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Mix well, and you can see my guacamole is mostly mashed but with chunks of avocado still in there. We'll garnish with coriander leaves and a slice of lemon, and there you have it, easy and delicious guacamole.